Okay guys, this is what happens when you try to jack up a car on the ground and not on steady asphalt. I was really in a predicament here. You see that there's really no extra sidewalk here to park your car. The flat was on the front side here, and literally, I don't know if I ran through a patch of nails or whatever, but it completely went flat to zero. So I couldn't drive on the wheel, or it would damage the wheel any further. So, being that I'm driving, the flat is on the front, you don't want to put a donut on the front. So I took my rear tire out and put the donut on the rear, and then when I went here, jacked it up, as you can see, when I jacked it up on ground, and it was pouring down the rain when I was doing this, a big tractor trailer came by. I thought I had it secure, but the car literally fell onto the wheel there. And so look how much damage it did on this Nissan Altima 2014. I mean, literally, I'm sure nothing's wrong with the engine, I'm sure. So anyways, I called the tow company, and they're going to lift it up, and I want to put this tire back on it, and hopefully I can get it home and take it to an auto mechanic. Anyways, lesson learned.
So if you're not in an emergency and you have access to go buy something, you want to have like a 3/4 of an inch plywood to set the jack on, and then of course you would like to have also like jack stands for extra support. That's if you're on grass, dirt, gravel, or anything that's unsteady. In this situation, really the only option was I should have called a tow company to come lift it up, and then I could have put the tire on or take it to a second location. Yes, it would have cost me more money, but this ended up costing me like $650 in body work. It could have been a lot worse, but it's $650 in body work to get it back to where it should, where it was perfect again. And then of course it cost me to actually have the car lifted up, because I did call a tow company to lift it up once it was on the axle. So, lesson learned. Thanks for watching.